Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Next.js PDF renderer that I developed inside Next.js. So let me show you the application right here. So if I run this application, you will see it will start this Next.js application on localhost 3001 port number. So it is just compiling it. You will see that we have run this command. So this is a passive income project that I developed, which actually runs in the browser. It's a static PDF editor, renderer you may say. It will display the PDF document. So when you land on this application, you will see this choose file button. So here you will simply click this button and you will select a PDF document and it will actually display like this. This is the first page and this is the second page, and you can easily read your PDF documents right in the browser itself using this Next.js project. And if you are interested in this project, guys, you can directly go to my description link and purchase the full source code. It's a very good, you can even add signatures as well, digital signatures, or you can even add a current date, which is 16 March 2025. So you can directly add this date and then click save PDF. You will see the date will automatically get added. So this is actually the full project I'm giving you. The link is given in the description. You can also earn a lot of passive income by placing advertisements as well. You can have all the controls, zooming out. So we can open the file here, any file we can download. Click the download button, you will see the file will be downloaded. We also have the print button where you can directly print the specific pages of your PDF document. So then we have more app options as well, so which is you can even rotate the page. You can see that. So hand tool, so we also can put the hand tool, so can see the properties of the page. So let me show you the actual project, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com and directly purchase the full source code. After you purchase it, you will be redirected to Google Drive, where you will actually get the zip file which will contain this directory structure. And let me show you the package.json file here. So we are using actually Next.js. If you see, this is a development command next, and for this we are actually using PDF-LIB, which is an open source package for PDF. We are also using jsPDF, HTML2 canvas, and file saver. So these are all open source packages we have used using these libraries to build this awesome looking PDF editor. So you can see we are using the latest version of React, which is 18. So then basically you can see we have these Next.js files. This is the layout. Every component is specifically divided into different files in TypeScript. This is a PDF editor one. This is a PDF viewer one. You can see that. So this is the signature one. This is the actual toolbar that you see. So this is actually the overall project, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. And once you do this, it's very easy. You can run this project by executing the command npm run dev. After you install all the packages by npm I, then run this command to run this locally. You will see that. So if you want to deploy this, it's very simple. You run the command here, npm run build. This will actually build this Next.js application by executing this command npm run build. So it is actually building out this Next.js application. It is creating an optimized production build of this application. So it will create a .next folder. So when you are interested to deploy this, you can run this command to. If you are also a developer, you can easily modify this code that is there inside this directory structure. If you can modify this application after purchasing it, you will get full commercial right to actually modify the code as well. So it's a very good project if you are a developer, if you are a student wanted to. So command is very simple. I've shown you all the commands. So I basically deploy these tools on my website, and let me show you. I am earning a lot of passive income. Ezoic.com is one ad network that I actually approved my domain name. So you can see that on each day I'm earning a lot of passive income. So you can see that. So through these tools. So we also have the approval on AdSense as well. So Also on AdSense, let me show you the data for the last 3 years that I'm earning right here. So it's a very good passive income sites, guys. The tools that I developed. So this tool also that I showed you is also deployed on my one of my websites, which is giving you this passive income. So if you are interested, guys, the link is given in the description of this PDF renderer and editor. In Next.js, it will open like this. It will compile it and it will run it locally. You can select any PDF document right here and it will display it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.